Hi guys! Recently Google officially released its new AI image editing model, Nano Banana, aka Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. In this video, I would like to show you how to free use it in 3 methods. Let's find out what the new viral model can do. The first method is using Google AI Studio. I will put the official link in the description. Make sure you select the new Nano Banana model. And then, we can simply enter the prompt to generate images in the dialog. Let's use the default prompt and click on Run. And after a few seconds, it creates this image. It also supports image to image. Take the viral AI figure trend for example. I am now importing an image from the K-pop Demon Hunters movie, and ask AI to turn the image into a character figure. And there it is. Nano Banana can easily create realistic AI figure images in seconds. I will also put the prompt I use in the description. Feel free to explore it yourself. We can also use Nano Banana in the Gemini app. Here select the Create Images button. It's basically the same as the first method. All we need to do is tell AI what we want to generate. I am using a different image this time, and ask it to turn the characters into AI figure. And there we have it. Pretty cool, right? The characters features are very well kept. That's awesome. The 2 methods are free to use. However, you might encounter generation limits if you generate too many times in a short.
That's all for this video. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next one.